Incoming stormwater from trafficked car parks and roads is fed into the Hydroshark inlet. The water flow is converted into a tangential vortex flow via the deflection plates. In this central treatment room, floatables such as oils and other debris are fully retained, together with all other litter and solids brought into the Hydroshark. All solid particles with a density above 1 are transferred down with the water flow from the circular treatment room and into the sludge chamber below. Particles are settled in this lower chamber. The flow breaker plates in the bottom sludge chamber below break the vortex flow pattern and promote particle settlement. These plates also help minimize any chance of sediment remobilization. Uniquely, the upwards flow in a Hydroshark is evenly balanced all around the wider outer chamber area. Flow passes evenly over the shark-toothed balancing weir. This balanced flow then enters the annular ring channel and passes to the outlet. For the purification of dissolved substances and the fine particles, the water is now fed into the hydrosystem. The incoming water is directed tangentially into the lower chest chamber, and here is placed in a laminar flow, which forces the sinking of the finest solids. The flow breakers in the sludge chamber break up the vortex flow patterns, promoting rapid particle settlement. The Hydroshark flow breaker design also ensures retained sediments are not remobilized at higher flow rates. Through the flow process, the water is fed from below into the filter segments filled with the filter material. In these elements, the substrates, heavy metals such as copper, zinc, lead, cadmium, oils and hydrocarbons such as PAH and TPH, microplastics down to particle size of just 50 microns. Phosphates and other nutrients and contaminants. And the fine dust washed out from the air and from the surfaces is filtered out. The purified water is then passed through the filters by a physical oil barrier for the recovery of the accident and then enters the drain. All normal points of discharge can be connected and protected, including the protection of groundwater infiltration systems. Waters can also be discharged to a harvesting or rainwater reuse tank or a firewater suppression tank. It is often also possible to discharge treated water directly to surface water bodies, lakes and rivers, etc. Maintenance is so simple. A standard gully suction truck is all that is required, with a suitable suction hose to reach the chamber base. After opening the duct cover, the suction hose is first drained into the sediment tank via the maintenance tube. The bottom is then sucked off with the suction hose, and by sucking, all retained solids are removed from the sludge chamber. If necessary, the remaining sediments can be rinsed with fresh water. Similarly, for the Hydroshark, after opening the manhole cover, the hinged safety grille is first lifted upwards using the supplied cable pulley. This affords access to the sludge chamber below. Each of the 3 sludge room subcompartments is evacuated with the suction hose in turn, and the water level is lowered. If necessary, any residual dense sediments can be power washed off with fresh water and evacuated repeated. Relower the grill plate and replace the cover. That's it.